touch my truck. Don't touch my truck.
Oh, what's happening, GC gang? Y'all already know what it is and what it do, baby. Man, I started this video late today, so I ain't really did nothing today. But I decided I just wanted to come out here. If y'all check out my last video, y'all seen that I had cleaned up under the hood of my Nissan truck, and but now I want to see what it looked like up under the old 250, bro. I mean, I should know. I stay up under the hood of this damn thing multiple times, but I just want to see what it look like up under there. If I need to clean it, or if I just need to well, just seeing how serious it is. Put it that way. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to clean this sucker, man. Turn this camera around for y'all right quick. Man, look at this, man. Yeah, she definitely gonna need to be cleaned up, baby. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be a nice little project here. Boy, this sort of got some all up under it. Yeah, I can't wait to see what this gonna turn out to look like, man. Yes, indeed. Yeah, it's gonna be a good little project, bro. Man, y'all look at my son, man. Why you got a bag on your foot, bro? Why you got a bag on your foot? Huh? Where your other slipper is? Where your other slipper?
It's in the house.
Is in the house?
Yeah.
You think you need to put it on your foot?
Okay.
That ain't the slipper you got. It's a dress shoe you got on, dude. You got that shoe on the wrong foot, yeah. Man, dude be tripping, bro. I swear he do. But yeah, I'm gonna jump on that. I'm gonna jump on that in the morning. It's getting dark. Like I said, I started the video late, so I just wanted to come out here and see what it looked like. Yeah, it's way worse than I thought it was. I knew it was dirty, but I couldn't actually remember what it looked like. But don't do that. But I'm gonna hop on that in the morning, bro. But refuse to fool with that today. Make sure I got my keys, 'cause I'm known for locking keys in the truck. I think I need to hit this inside too. Play with that another day. Come on. Why you ain't got your shoes on, bro? Come on, get in the house. I don't know what you is. That dude been wanting to play with this bag all day, bro. Look. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna fool with that tomorrow, man. I need to move this truck so when she get home, I won't be in her way. But yeah, today been pretty much a lazy day. I ain't really did nothing today. I ain't really feel like doing nothing. But I mean, I did leave the house, but I ain't stayed out too long. I just went and run to a couple of places and I came right back home. It was still morning when I got back. So I cleaned the outside of this truck. Didn't even touch the inside of this truck, man. Look. There were seats everywhere. Guess that's just me. But I'm about to back this thing up in the garage, man. And after that, take little one back in. But he swear to God, he doing something right now.
over.
I don't know why he think that's a shoe, but
Yeah.
yeah, man. But I'm gonna go park this and get this out of her way before she get home. Guess I get back with y'all in the morning, buddy. What up, peoples? It's another day, baby. And I just came from O'Reilly. I just went and got me some more, I guess you can call it the tire shine and the old purple power. I'm about to get started on my 250. Clean up the up under the hood of that one there. Like early in the video y'all had seen where I had showed what it looked like. And damn, well, I need to clean myself up. Yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead on and get started on the 250, bro. I ain't gonna talk too much on this one here because on my last video that I did with this Nissan, I kind of showed y'all everything that what to do or whatever. I talked it through and whatnot, but this one here I'm gonna just go ahead on. I'm gonna just video it out and show y'all everything that I did, and guess we get started. There y'all have it, ladies and gentlemen. Almost well clean. But it had a lot of oil up under this sucker, bro. But you gotta know this is 95. 9 times out of 10 it ain't been cleaned up under here since this motor got put up in here. So everything look pretty good now. She almost look like day one, but she ain't. Yeah. So I'm happy with it. Took a whole lot of work to try to scrub most of that off from under there, but I have to hit it week by week to try to constantly get that from under there. So yeah, so I done got that done. That's over with. 250 is clean up under the hood, to my knowledge. So yeah, man, till the next video, bro. That's it for me for right now, man. I'm not even gonna try to do nothing else to the truck. So I'm gonna go pick up all my stuff, put it up, and 9 times out of 10 I'm about to clean this car, cause it's hella dirty. So yeah, man, until the next one, bro. You already know what it is and what it do, boys. Your boy GC, man. I'm out of this thing.
Don't touch my truck.